see which way is it going? There's a light on the head of the camera. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now we're going the right way. That's clay. Feed it slowly. Go ahead. Looks like it's clay or PVC. Most likely clay. Yeah, clay's really good as long as there's no trees, you know. But see how there's no issues right there on
So
the clay
that's
pipe.
clay pipe.
Yeah,
Oh
going
wow.
back this way.
So did they upgrade it? Because shouldn't it be like cast iron for
Well,
the age of the house? Or did
clay.
they use
Well,
clay back
so
in the day
like
too?
since this is an older house, clay is it's gonna have clay. So
Okay.
not very common. This is simple.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and turn it. We're gonna rotate it. There you go.
Looks pretty good.
Now we're on the bottom of it. Okay. Keep going. I'm recording that for you.
Yeah.
Can you back up a little bit? What is that? Go forward a little bit. That's a hole. Yeah, that's a hole. Looks like a hole or a crack. See the roach in there? Right there? That's at 27 feet. Okay? So that's inside of the house. Keep going. We're on the offset. Okay, slow down. That's just toilet paper. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Shit. See if you can go a little quicker. Push, bring it back. Okay, so there's standing water right there. There shouldn't be any standing water. Back up a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna go in there and we're gonna jam it in there. So at 35 feet, so we ran into a hole in the line. There's a hole on the clay,
Okay.
and also at 35 feet, it offsets and travels along the side of. There's standing water, which means that the grade is not going down towards the street. So either there's this going on, like a little belly, or there's a flat reverse grade, and it's causing it to hold water at 35 feet. So that can be a potential issue with routing and stuff. When I say routing, is you may have to run like a sewer cable to keep clearing it. Yeah,
Really flushing.
yeah. So that's as far as we're gonna be able to go here because now we're completely underwater. We can't see anything. However, go to that clean out. Let's uncover some of those stones, and then let's unscrew that clean out. Yeah, I'm gonna run it from here to the street now. for real? Okay. So now we're going to the street. Wait. Now we're flowing. There you go. So that transitions into the city civil sewer. Let me pull it back out.
Because if not, you'll go too far and drop in.
Hold on to this. I'm just going to slide it back in. Okay. Probably rinse that off. Rinse off the tissue. Let me take a look and see if we can even talk about it. Yeah, bring it down. Huh? Bring it over here. Alright. From the fence to the street, you're in good shape. Back this way, stop it. Now I'm gonna run it through here. What is that? It's like something hanging right there. Strange. They could probably clean the jetter. And then this right here, that looks like some kind of crack along the top. Yeah, there's a huge hole right there.
I wonder if because they're running it right here and they have the drive space.
Possibly,
Probably
it's pretty
smashing
shallow.
onto it,
Yeah, so like all this right here on the top, it's in bad shape. That's gonna have to be replaced. Okay, you can see the hole is just like hanging right there.
Wow, that's pretty bad hole.
Yeah. I mean, it could be a fitting, but it's just weird. It doesn't look like a fitting. There's another, yeah, it just goes down the line. So like something like this here, you would want to have it jetted and cleaned.
Yeah.
With the hydro jet,
so you can see what it's really doing.
Yeah,
if it
exactly.
really is the issue.
Exactly. You ever watch the Ninja Turtles? Yeah, this is where they lived. Pretty gross, huh? That's pretty strange. That looks like just buildup that's just been
it's been
hanging for a while.
I mean, it all looks newer, doesn't it?
That looks like this is actually asbestos pipe. This is not clay. It's asbestos. See the standing water?
Yeah.
There shouldn't be any standing water right there. You see the roots?
Yep. Oh, well, I went through it.
So there's roots. There must have been a tree or something.
Might be the vine.
Yeah, that vine, right?
Oh,
Like all throughout, yeah. So that can cause issues. And you guys are smart by getting it scoped. Just all completely underwater.
Wow.
This is a huge problem right here. Now we're coming out of the water. Now the other side, when I came in and we dunked into water, it's right here.
Yeah. So
It's
that's
right
where
here.
you
So we just
you're able to get through it. It's just
exactly.
But it's
so when you have your whoever lives here flush the toilet and they go to, let's say, go number 2, the matter is going to leave the water behind. They're going to keep on piling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and retract that.